Yeah, everyone ready? Ready with the book and pencil? Yeah. So first, Mehreen can't write. Okay. So no, we are not writing anything. Today we are going to draw something. Okay. Everyone know na how to draw? Yeah. So first, what we'll do, students, we will read the phonic sound of alphabets. Okay. Then we will proceed to written part. That means drawing part. Okay. So come on, everyone, fold your hands. Everyone, fold your hands. Nothing should be in your hand. Wiggle your fingers first. Wiggle your finger. Wiggle your fingers, everyone. Yeah, that's great. Now fold your hands. Fold your hands. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. It's completely okay, Mehreen. You just attend, dear, okay? And get well soon. Yeah. So, come on, everyone. Fold your hands. Sit up straight. Okay. And you have to read. First, students, you have to listen what I am telling to you. Then you have to repeat after me. Then you have to repeat after me. Okay. Everyone, please open your videos. Umar, Ayushman, Batul, Devansh, Shobit, Prisha, Rudra, Asfa, Sami. Yeah. So, come on, everyone. Read with me. A, ah, ah. A, ah. B, bah, bah. B, bah. Come on, Ayushman, Naman. Everyone do with me. C, kah, kah. Very good. D, dah, dah. Drum. Remember? Yeah. E, eh, eh. F, f, f. G, g, g. H, 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 h. I, a, a. E sound, students. A, a, a. J, ja, J, ja, ja. Jam, remember? Yeah. K, 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 k. L, 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 l. M, 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 m. N, n, n. Come on, Myra. N, n. O, 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 o. P, 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 p. Q, qu, qu. Queen, 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 qu. R, 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 r. S, s, s. Okay. T, 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 t. U, a, 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 a. V, 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 W, 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 X, 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 Y, 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 Y. Come on, everyone. Y, Z, 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 Z. Yeah, very good. Everyone, please clap for yourself. Now, see students. Come on, everyone. Stand straight. Stand straight. Come on, stand straight. Yeah. So students, today we are going to learn word families. What we are going to learn? Word families. Okay. What we are going to learn, students? Word families. So, wait, let me share the screen with you first. Look, can you see my screen, everyone? Give me a thumbs up. Arban, Mara, give me a thumbs up if you see my screen means. Yeah, thank you. Everyone stand straight. Yeah, very good, students. Very good. So, the letter I am writing on the screen, we will read that letter phonetically. Okay, by using bending technique, strategy. Okay. So, for example, I have written cat here. What I have written, students? Cat. Okay. So, how to pronounce? First, see, beginning. Do with me, everyone. Beginning. Middle. Middle. End. End. Beginning. Beginning. Middle. End. End. What do you mean by beginning, students? Beginning means starting. Beginning means starting. Beginning means starting. Beginning means starting. See, starting, beginning. Starting, beginning. Starting, beginning. Starting, beginning. Starting is nothing but beginning. So we will use the word beginning here, not starting. Okay, because starting is an old word, so we will use new word, that is beginning. Okay, so come on, everyone, do with me. Beginning, middle, 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 end, end, end. Okay, so the word I have written on the screen, we have to read that word phonetically by using this strategy. By using this strategy. So everyone is ready? So now let me share the screen again. Everyone, come on, everyone. First, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Very good. Stand straight. Stand straight. That's very great, students. Very good. Now, so see, I have written C, A, T. So let's read, students, together. So first letter is C, no? So we have to tell C sound is K, K, A, T, K, A, T. Cat, 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 cat. Yeah, very good. K, A, T, cat, cat. Okay, now let's read the second word. Okay, now the second word is, students, look at the screen. Look at the screen. First letter is F. So F sound is F, 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 A, T, fat, fat, F, A, T, fat, fat. Okay, yeah. So come on everyone, read with me. K, A, T, cat, cat. Okay, now next word is F, A, T, fat, fat. So this word family is 80 is the word family. 80 is the word family. So in today's class, students, we will read the words that are related to 80 only. The last word is 80. Okay. Yeah, everyone, don't write anything on the screen. Huzefa, come on everyone. Fold your hands, I said no. Fold your hands, stand straight. Keep your phones down. Now, next is hat. So come on everyone, how to read hat? Ha, a, t, hat, 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 ha, a, t, hat, hat. Very good, very good. So you have to use this bending technique to read. Yeah, okay, Charvisha, thank you for that reminding, dear. Okay, I will use capital letters. Okay, so everyone, what you have to do in this, students, you just have to look at the letters which is given on the screen, and you have to use this strategy and read the word Okay, now next letter is H. H sound is H, A, T, hat, hat. Okay, so like the students, you have to read the words. Okay, so you have to read 5 words of the at family. Okay, and you have to make a video and share in the Blue Flamingo group. Okay, and now I will share one more screen with you. Now, come on everyone, look at the screen. Yuvan, Sinidhi, Myra, Diana, Sumaya, Charvisha, Kostak. 1, 2, 3 eyes on me. Badrian, very good. Naman, come on dear, look at me. Fiona, very good. Faiza also. Ayushman, Conan, Rida, Magati, Asfa, Sami, Sindhu, Lakshmi, Arban, Anam, Rudra, Huzaifa, Sheikh, Umar, Sanvi and Vivan, Myra, Salim, Mahir, Alishba. Come on everyone. Yeah, please students, don't write anything. Rishika, don't write anything dear. So first, see students, whenever you get a paper, no, okay, so what you have to do first, you have to read the heading. Heading means which is written on the top of the paper, which is written on the top. Top means upside, on up. Okay, on my top, what is there? My head. Okay, so like that only, whenever you get a paper, no, so you have to read the heading first. You have to read the heading. Okay, so in heading, students, we get two kinds of word. How many kinds of word? How many kinds of word? Diana, how many kinds of word, dear? Two kinds of word. Naman, how many? Two. Very good, very good. So we have phonic words and whole words and whole words. Okay. So students, see, what is the difference between phonic word and whole word? Okay. So whole words are nothing but the words which we get more often in our notebooks, readers. Okay, those are called sight words also. It has two names, whole words or sight words. Okay, so we don't need to read those words phonetically like ha, ma, na, hum, no. Okay, we just have to read. We no need to read the spelling as well. Whenever you see that word, you have to read that. For example, the, what, has, in, which, these. So these are the words which we do not need phonic sound. Okay, and the words which need phonic sounds are also there. So in every phonic class in the month of January, which you are going to start, no, in that class you have to read phonic words as well as whole words. Okay, so only today I am giving you the briefing. Okay, everyone, just a glance. So come on, everyone, look at the screen. Now, see students, circle is a phonic word, the is a whole word, picture is also a whole word, with is also a whole word, D is the letter, sound is also a whole word. Okay, we don't have to read these all words phonetically. Okay, so what we have to do in these students? We have to circle. Come on, everyone. Rudra, come on. Do with me. Circle the picture with B sound. With B sound. With B sound. Okay. So, for students, you have to read and identify the picture. You have to identify the picture. Yeah, everyone, please don't write anything on the screen. Mahi, don't write anything, dear. So, see, first picture is cap. Mahi, please don't write. Cap. Bag. Bag. Pot. Pot. Bag. Cap. Box. Okay. Grapes. Orange. Cat. Ball. Beer. Okay. So, in this worksheet, students, you just have to identify the sound. Which sound? B sound. Alishba, which sound, dear? Mayuka, which sound? B sound. Which sound? B sound. Magati, come on. B sound. Myra, B sound. Okay. So, see, where is ba, students? Ba is the sound of which letter? B letter. Which letter? B letter. Okay. So we have to circle only B letters. Okay. So let's change the color. Yeah. This is B. No. This is? Yes, because bag. 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 Very good. So we have to circle this bag. Okay. Now next is pot. Sound. B has sound. Mahir, B has sound. No. So we don't have to circle this. Very good. Who is shaking their heads, nodding their heads? No. Very good, students. Come on, everyone. So box. 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 So box is B sound, no? So we have to circle box. Okay. Now, grapes. Grapes. Grapes has sound. Read, everyone. Read the picture. Grapes. Grapes. Do you find B sound at the beginning? No. Very good. So we don't have to circle this. Okay. Now next is orange. Orange. Orange has sound? Very good. No. So we don't have to circle this. Now, Ritika Shri, come on, everyone. Ayushman. Next picture is cat. Cat. Which sound? Cat has which sound? First sound is C. So we don't have to circle this. Okay. Okay, Arbana will be slow. Okay. Now, next is ball. Ball. Very good, because ball has sound in the beginning. Which sound? Sound. So we have to circle this ball. Beer. Beer has sound. Beer has sound. Everyone, come on, tell me. Nod your head and tell me. Viona, beer has sound? I don't think so. Faiza? Diana? Kostab? Come on. Sinidhi? Beer has sound? Arban? Read beer. Read. Beer. Very good. So we have to circle beer, because beer starts with B. Beer starts with B. Okay. Yeah. So like this only, students, you have to solve the worksheet. Okay. Now everyone is ready with the pencil and book? Ready? Show me, everyone. Anam, you don't have? Sit with slate, dear. If you don't have, means sit with slate. I will give you 2 minutes. Come on, everyone.